Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to indoor gardening and looking for a grow tent that's easy to set up, durable, and perfect for beginners, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best grow tents for beginners in the USA, chosen based on build quality, light-proof performance, ventilation, ease of setup, and overall value for money. From budget-friendly choices to top-performing premium tents, I've compared everything so you can make the smartest decision without wasting time or money. And stick around till the end, because I'll also share a clear buying guide to help you pick the perfect grow tent for your setup. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Atour 4x2 Grow Tent. The Atour 4x2 Grow Tent, 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches, is designed to give indoor growers a stable, efficient, and highly controlled environment for thriving plants. High-quality materials. This grow tent is built with premium 1680D Oxford canvas that is thick, durable, double-stitched and tear-resistant to ensure long-lasting performance. Its sturdy metal frame provides firm, shake-free support, while the reliable zippers allow smooth opening and closing. The dense fabric construction helps keep all the light inside the tent, maximizing efficiency. Highly reflective light. Inside, the tent features a silver high-reflective waterproof polyester film that boosts the effectiveness of your grow lights and equipment. This reflective interior helps maintain proper temperature and enhances overall light distribution, ensuring your plants, flowers, fruits, and vegetables grow strong and healthy. Easily observe your plants. The double-door design adds convenience. The first layer is 99% lightproof, while the second transparent sealed door lets you check your plants without disturbing their environment. A waterproof floor tray protects your room from spills and keeps maintenance hassle-free. Easy to assemble. With tool-free assembly and clear instructions, even beginners can set up this hydroponics grow tent quickly. Applicable scenarios. Perfect for apartments, basements, balconies, or greenhouses, this grow tent offers ample space for duct fans, lights, and cables, making it an ideal choice for any indoor planting setup. Number 4. Sunstream 4x2 Grow Tent for Indoor Plants. The Sunstream 4x2 Grow Tent for Indoor Plants, 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches, offers a reliable and efficient environment for growers who want healthy and vigorous plant growth. Indoor grow tent material. This 4x2 grow tent is constructed from 600D heavy-duty canvas paired with a highly reflective polyester film liner that enhances light distribution. Combined with a sturdy metal frame, it delivers excellent light insulation and ensures your plants receive ample illumination. Special designs. The tent features a heavy-duty zipper that zips and unzips smoothly, providing effortless access. The built-in observation window with a Velcro cover allows you to monitor plant progress without disturbing the internal climate, helping maintain optimal growing conditions. Grow Tent Sturdy Stand. Its metal frame is formed from rust-resistant, heavy-duty tubes that assemble easily without tools. This strong structure pairs perfectly with the Sunstream Grow Tent ventilation system, ensuring a stable setup. Airflow design. Equipped with multiple double-layer ventilation tubes with adjustable drawstrings, this tent allows flexible airflow control based on your planting needs. This creates a healthy air environment that promotes strong and consistent plant growth. Multiple uses. Ideal for growing plants, flowers, fruits, mushrooms, and vegetables, this indoor plant tent is suitable for wardrobes, basements, balconies, and more, allowing you to set up your grow space anywhere in your home. Number 3. Serene Life Medium Hydroponic Grow Tent. The Serene Life Medium Hydroponic Grow Tent, 24 inches by 24 inches by 48 inches, provides a controlled and efficient environment for growing healthy indoor plants year-round. Keeps all light inside. This hydroponics grow tent is engineered to block all light from escaping, ensuring maximum efficiency for your grow lights. The interior is lined with highly reflective mylar that significantly improves light distribution and enhances plant growth. It also features durable SBS zippers that create a reliable light-proof seal. Observation window. Designed for convenience, the tent includes adjustable vent doors and an accessible observation window, allowing you to check your plant's progress without stepping inside or disrupting the internal environment. Made to last. Built for long-term use, Serene Life gardening grow tents are supported by heavy-duty all-steel poles for stability. The tear-proof 600D mylar canvas with double stitching and a durable zipper ensures long-lasting protection for your plants. Inner tool organizer. A mesh tool bag is sewn inside the tent for easy storage of tools and accessories. The included pole shelf and water-resistant removable floor tray make organizing and cleaning simple. Easy to install. With a compact 24-inch by 24-inch by 48-inch size and lightweight Velcro design, this tent comes with all necessary hardware and a clear manual, making setup quick and easy for both professional and amateur growers. Number 2. iPow Grow Tent Kit Grow Tent. The IPOW Grow Tent Kit is a complete 24 inches by 47 inches by 79 inches indoor growing system designed for beginners and advanced growers alike. Its full-spectrum grow light features a dimmable 100W LED with 240 LEDs, delivering high-efficiency lighting that saves up to 50% on energy bills compared to HBS lights. With IP65 waterproof protection, it offers long-lasting performance and powerful output for all growth stages. The heavy-duty and sturdy grow tent includes a reinforced steel frame, reflective mylar interior, durable 600D Oxford cloth, smooth reliable zippers, and double stitching to keep all light contained. A waterproof tray protects your floor from spills. The effective ventilation system uses a noise-free 4-inch inline fan, Australian charcoal filter, and aluminum ducting for strong airflow and odor control. This all-in-one kit saves you time, money, and setup hassle. Number 1. Melon Farm 4x2 Grow Tent. The Melon Farm 4x2 Grow Tent offers a durable and efficient solution for hydroponic indoor plant growing. Measuring 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches, this tent is built with high-quality materials, including a highly reflective waterproof polyester film and 600D double-stitched canvas. It is perfectly light-proof, tear-resistant, and designed to maintain stable temperatures for healthy plant development. Its powerful performance helps your grow lights and equipment work more effectively by blocking unnecessary light and locking in the right amount of heat, creating an ideal growing environment. Designed for convenience, it features a heavy-duty zipper door, a storage bag, and double transparent observation windows so you can check plant progress anytime. The easy-to-install frame requires no tools, allowing beginners to set up quickly. With its multiple uses, this tent works perfectly for vegetables, flowers, fruits, and more in closets, balconies, or basements. Thanks for watching. Below, check links in the description box. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.